Hello, let's solve a problem. It's given that y of x is 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x power 4 into 1 plus x power 8 into 1 plus x power 16. Right? Then y dash minus y double dash at x equal to minus 1. Right? We need to figure out y dash minus y double dash at x equal to minus 1. So let's start solving. Now, as you can see, y of x, it's 1 plus x, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x power 4, 1 plus x power 8 into 1 plus x power 16. Right? We need to use a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square formula. To trigger this formula, just like a chain reaction, you need to multiply and divide with 1 minus x. Right? 1 plus x power 4, 1 plus x power 8 into 1 plus x power 16 by 1 minus x. Right? You are dividing and multiplying with 1 minus x. Right? Now here, as you can see, this becomes 1 minus x square. Fine. This 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square becomes 1 minus x power 4. 1 minus x power 4 into 1 plus x power 4 becomes 1 minus x power 8. 1 minus x power 8 into 1 plus x power 8 becomes 1 minus x power 16. Fine. Then this becomes 1 minus x power 16 into 1 plus x power 16 by 1 minus x. This will be 1 minus x power 32 by 1 minus x. Fine. Now let's expand this. This will be 1 by 1 minus x. Right. So this is 1 minus x power 32 by 1 minus x. Now we need to figure out y dash minus y double dash, right? So y dash of x. This will be 1 minus x whole square into 1 minus x into minus 32 into x power 32 minus 1, which is 31, minus of 1 minus x power 32 into 0 minus 1. Fine. Then this y dash of x becomes 1 minus x into minus 32 x power 31. This becomes 0 minus 1 is minus, minus minus becomes plus 1 minus x power 32. Fine. Let's write the denominator separately here. This is 1 minus x whole square, right? You can write it as 1 minus x into 1 minus x. Right? As you can see, this y of x is 1 minus x power 32 by 1 minus x. Right? Which is 1 minus x power 32 by 1 minus x. This is y of x. Fine. Now this becomes y dash of x equal to minus 32 x power 31 by 1 minus x factor will go off, then this 1 minus x plus y of x by 1 minus x. Okay. Now let's simplify this further. Then the LCM will be y dash of x into 1 minus x is minus 32 x power 31 plus y of x. Fine. Now let's differentiate, because in the question it was given y dash minus y double dash, right? Now after differentiating it for the second time, we get, so y dash of x into 0 minus 1, fine, plus 1 minus x into y double dash of x is equal to minus 32 into 31 into x power 30 plus y dash of x. Fine. This is minus y dash of x. This y dash of x, which is on the right hand side, this becomes minus 2 y dash of x plus of 1 minus x into y double dash of x is minus 32 into 31 into x power 30. Right? It was asked to find y dash minus y double dash at x equal to minus 1. Right? At x equal to minus 1, at x equal to minus 1, here as you can see, x becomes minus 1, then this becomes 1 minus of minus 1, 2. Right? Minus 2 y dash, right, x, I mean to say x equal to minus 1 plus 2 y dash equal to minus 32 into 31, and minus 1 whole power 30 is 1. Fine. Then you can just take minus 2 common here, y double dash minus y, sorry, this is y dash, right? Yeah, minus 2 into y dash minus y double dash, right? Minus into minus becomes plus, plus 2 y double dash equal to minus 32 into 31. This minus will go off, then 2 ones, 2 16ths. Then y dash minus y double dash equal to 16 ones, 16, 63, 48 plus 1, which is 496. So this is the solution.